Hi, this is Ken Lau, your executive coach in logistics industry. So I have created this top 18 Excel functions based on my years of experience in the trading. And the last couple of years, I have trained several logistic company that so I exposed that there's a very specific use of Excel function in the logistic industry. So here's just one example. Yeah, so there are 18 of them, right? Well, first one is the left functions right here. So what's left function is like this, and then you can also use the min and max. You can also use the left and right, and the right function in many different ways. So I want to show you how to use that left function right here. So it's right here. Okay, so you can use the, for example, you have some code on this column E here. There's a city, and you want to extract just the first 3 characters from the C code, right? So you can either type this in yourself, right, or for every single one that would take you a lot of time, isn't it, right? So now, how can Excel help you with that? You can automate this success by having a left function right here. So you just type in left function and click on this city here, this cell here, and then put 3. So 3 means that it is take the first 3 characters from the left, right? And that's it, right? Enter, and you got one of this code, right? And you copy this down, and you get this every single one automatic extract from you, right? So if this is something useful for you, right, do let me know, right? You can contact with me to get this top 18 Excel functions, this book, right, for free if you are in the logistic industry. And once again, thank you for watching this, right, this video, and God bless you. Jesus love you.